Here I have UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. At the very beginning, open the upper bar, then select Do Not Disturb icon, and here you can pick one from the following option. Total silence, so you won't be able to make any calls, and it also blocks all sounds. Alarms only, so still no one will be able to reach you, but you will hear your alarms, or priority only. You can also schedule it for some period of time, for example 45 minutes or like 1-2 hours, or you can pick the second option. It can be on until you turn this off. If you would like to personalize it, you can tap on More Settings, and here you can adjust your priorities, so you can add reminders to them, or you can change some automatic rules over here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.